Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling a real life scenario in Odoo. What do you do if a vendor delivers products without a prior RFQ or purchase order? Let us consider a scenario. Your vendor sends you items you needed, but no one raised a purchase order or RFQ. You still need to update your stock, record the transaction, and create a vendor bill. So, how do we do that correctly in Odoo? So, the solution for this is to create a backdated purchase order. Let's go step by step. First, let's go to into the purchase module. Click on the orders section, then click on the purchase orders. Now click on the new. Now let us enter the vendor's name. For example, let us enter as A. Then let us enter the product. For example, so let us enter the so now suppose we need to enter all the products and its quantities whatever we have purchased from that vendor. Then is directly click on the confirm order. So we can see a receipt has been created. Click on this and validate this. So now the receipt has been validated. Now you can create the bill and click on. Now we need to select the first the bill date. If it's today's, then we can select it today's date, or suppose we can change the date as per our convenience. Then click on the confirm. So we can see now the bill has been created, and now we can do the payment, and thus in this way we can update the stock accounting and the reports without an initial RFQ. Thank you.